International 424 tractor. Manufactured 1964 to 1967. This one here of ours has a 3-point hitch. Here's your lift arms, PTO, drawbar. Right now, in just a minute I'll take you up to the house. The tire is up there at the garage. Starter and starter solenoid. Alternator. The grill, which is in perfect shape. It's got a little 5-speed manual transmission. PTO, I think. That one over there might be a PTO. 3-point lift arms. Differential lock, I believe. Brakes. Either use one or two. You can either use one or... Let me see if we can get this or push both of them. I'm going to clean up these 424 pieces. Now we can put them on here. So, we bought this tractor with that John Deere 1020 over there. And so, what had happened is the guy that we bought this from had bought it from a guy that was in the middle of restoring these tractors. In other words, the guy had passed away while he was restoring these tractors, and the guy that bought it from him before us had it for a while. It sat, and this one, so as you can tell, fortunately, a tree had fell on it, and the motor got locked up, but we finally got it back to going. We had to pour some fluids on it to get it unlocked and back to going. So right here is your clutch. Right there has to be your PTO. That's a bull. Anyway, battery terminals, positive and negative, of course. That piece has to be for the manifold, exhaust manifold, breather tank, air freeze up there. This might be your fuel. This is a gasoline tractor. And, so I think you push this button. I don't know. That's a choke or kill switch. You have to turn this on to start it. Right there's your throttle, I believe. I do believe. Right here turns your lights on. Or some people have these on there so they can shut their battery power off. So this one's got about 38,251 original hours on it. Here's your water temp, PTO and RPM gauge. And yeah, I'll really quick. I will take you up to the garage, and we'll go look at the tire. Alright. So here's the rim. Here's the tire we're going to try to put on it. We got to get a new inner tube for it, I do believe. So this tire was very flat. I mean, these are good tires. Looks like the guy had put fairly new tires on them tractors, and on this tractor and the John Deere 1020 gas tractor. And yeah, so But anywho, that's there's the tire, and I'll take you back to the tractor. All right, y'all, we are back at the tractor, and so we're going to go ahead and conclude this, and I'm gonna put there'll be a couple of clips at the end of the video. So so I say that here's the International 424. Nice good introduction to it, and I will make a video of this hopefully when we get it driving. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, YouTube Shorts. Take care, have a nice day, and I will see you around. So let me tell you something before I go. Okay. So I knew a guy who knew a guy who knew a guy who knew a guy. Ain't got no gas in it. Alright, bye y'all.